Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to make your headlights clear and like new again. We're going to demonstrate on that BMW. This one is a 745 Li E65 2003 model. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. We're going to attempt to make the headlights like new. You can see how dull they are. Really burned from the sun and the road grime right here. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Alright guys, what we need first is a 1200 or about 1000 sandpaper, wet sandpaper, something close and around 1200. Then you need to dip it in water and you need to sand the headlight. And depending on how bad it is, depends how much you're going to sand. You can see the white yellowish foam coming out of it. That's because it's taking off the top layer, the one that's burned from the sun. And you can see it needs to start coming clean, just clear foam, white foam, not yellowish. And you need to do the whole headlight like that. And this method, guys, it will last a long time. It's not like the other ones that last a week or so and it's gone pretty much. It makes them like new again, and if you apply wax every 6 months, you'll keep them in top shape. Okay, we're done with 1200 now, and we need to get something a little bit finer than 1200, so maybe go with 2000 or 2500, whatever you have. Okay, that's 2000 right there, and one of those, it will last you for at least 2 headlights, 1 sheet, so pretty much it won't cost you much to do that, guys. Pretty affordable. The only thing that you need to buy is wax, but you can buy them in small packages and you can use the wax for the outside of the vehicle as well. So keep sanding with 2000, and that's going to buff the scratches out of the 1200. It will make it super easy to polish and make it crystal clear again. Stay with us to see what's gonna happen. Okay, we're done with the 2000, guys, and what you need to do now, you need to rinse it off really good, make sure that you don't have anything left. And after that we will need to dry it and we're going to polish it. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Now after you dry it, you'll be pretty dull, it won't have any shine. When it's wet it still has some shine, but stay with us to see how we're going to make it like new again. So what we're going to use now, it's made by 3M, it's called Perfected series, and we're going to need 1 and 2. 1 is the rubbing compound and 2 is the machine polish. That works great on your vehicle as well, on the paint. If you want to shine it up pretty good, you can use the machine polish. And now what you need to do, you need to get a buffer, but before that you need to get some of the wax and apply it on the headlight. Don't apply it on the buffer, apply it on the headlight, on the plastic, because that way it will soak really good in the plastic and moisturize it, so it will work really good. It might take 1 or 2 tries depending on how bad the headlight is. We'll see if we can do it with 1. So we're going to do it at about 1900 RPM. After that we're going to go ahead and use number 2. So this one is the machine polish, and that's really fine. It's going to polish and buff it, make it really shiny, because the rubbing compound pretty much buffs the scratches out of the sandpaper, and this one is going to give it a nice clear shiny look. So apply again on the headlight. Depending on how bad it is, it might take 1 or 2 times. We're trying only with 1 try to see if we can achieve excellent results. And again at 1900 RPM. Alright guys, now next we need to go ahead and remove the tape. Okay, make sure that you don't get anything left there. That tape is to prevent you from scratching the bumper while you wet sanding. Okay, right there. Alright guys, and this is the difference. You can see yourself. This one, how shiny it is compared to the other one, and that's only trying it once. If you do it twice, it will make it absolutely like brand new, and this is what it used to be like. Okay, right there. And that's what we have right now on this side. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.